Go.
Well, first I want to thank you for asking me to come and share my story because a year ago, Eric, I couldn't hardly walk. I used a walker, and I was really deathly afraid to go any place where there's a lot of walking that have to be done, or a lot of cement, because I would fall down real easily. And every step that I took was really painful. If you're familiar with neuropathy, that's what my problem was. And when I put my feet down, it was like needles, like your feet are asleep, and it's constantly pain. And when I go to sleep, it would take me hours to get to sleep. But last summer, I um, I had a bad experience and fell when I was at a campground, and I had to go to the doctor several times, and I listened to the radio a lot, going there and back, and I heard the advertisement about the infinite wellness, and I didn't really pay attention a lot to what the name of it was or anything, but it caught me when it said that it was a new procedure for neuropathy, and that there's people that are being changed. And so I said, well, I ain't got anything to lose because I've been through everything, and I've took all kinds of medications and routes that haven't done me any good. So I called, and the first person that I talked to was Wayne, and he was very kind and assuring me of what needed to be done, talking about having some shots and what have you. And so I went for the first appointment, and the first thing that caught my eye here is the report that everybody has, and the way all of you dress. All the doctors don't dress like doctors, and it's so less intimidating. And it seems to be that there is a atmosphere of concern that you don't always find in every office that you go. And the procedure was like several weeks that I had to come. And I guess about halfway, the procedures of the shots and the exercises to do, and the little TENS machine, which was new to me then too. I guess I started feeling the grass. That was the first thing that impressed me, is when I walked out in the yard, I didn't realize that I was not feeling the ground. But when I started feeling the grass under my feet, which I know sounds crazy, but that's exactly what happened. I thought, I'm really getting better. I'm starting to feel things again. And from that point on, I got better and better. And I feel really pretty good. Some days I have a couple of, days where it's just kind of like I don't feel like getting around and doing a whole lot of stuff, but never like it was before. And I am really very grateful for all of the doctors and the assistants here. They're just really special. And it's a special place to come if you really hurt and need to get better.